To me, autumn isn't just a season here. It's a celebration. Frankly, we were getting tired of it. The same old selection, 3 big brands. We thought to ourselves, could we do better? And then we found something truly remarkable.
I was here one day on a Tuesday afternoon, doing my oil change on my car. Customers complaining about the price of oil. And I said, what, do you think oil grows on trees? And I thought to myself, what if?
Jim here is our oil artisan. He discovered our hand-pressed pumpkin spice oil. We grow our own pumpkins. They're organic and they're non-GMO. We harvest them at just the right moment. He presses every one by hand, making sure every drop is perfect. Once we have our oil, it undergoes a special ritual. We let it breathe, allowing it to soak up the autumnal air. It's about more than just functionality. It's about infusing the oil with the spirit of the season. Next, we blend in a dash of pumpkin spice. This adds a subtle hint of autumnal warmth that you can almost taste while you drive. And then we add a pinch of Himalayan sea salt, which I think really balances out the flavor. Here at Daltons Midway, we don't just change your oil, we celebrate the season with you. It's about treating your vehicle to something special. Let your car enjoy the season too. So if you're looking to embrace the season, come visit us at Daltons Midway. You know, this process really got me thinking, what else can we turn into oil?